Apple AirPods Max. We need to talk. Apple released yesterday the AirPods Max. I'm not sure if this was a planned release, if the release was leaked, if we were expecting it. I'm not really too sure. But what I do know is someone I work with sent me a message and said, "Hey Aaron, my 10-year-old wants $549 Apple AirPod Max over-the-ear headphones. Are they worth it?" And my response was, no 10-year-old deserves $549 headphones. But you can get some great Sony headphones at $350 and $399. And I remember thinking, "Ugh, I can't believe those words came out of my fingers. I couldn't believe it. I'm actually telling someone to buy a 10-year-old $400 headphones because they're cheaper than the $550 headphones." And I started thinking to myself, I said, let me do some research. Let me get into this and actually see what the fuss is all about. Admittedly, I have not paid a whole lot of attention to the Apple AirPods Max, but now that I've looked into it, now that I've gotten some more information, I'm actually a little impressed and a little disappointed all at the same time. They have 5 different colors, but every headphone has a couple different shades. So you have space gray, which is kind of like blackish looking, and then space gray. Then you have silver, which is white and silver. Then you have green, which looks like to be white and green. Then you have sky blue, which looks to be a dark blue with actual sky blue on the ear cups. And then you have pink, which looks like it's a dark pink and then a light pink. So I really like this two-tone look that they're going there. It looks phenomenal. Not sure if they sold out all the colors really quick or if they only released space gray and silver. I ordered space gray and silver from Apple and from Best Buy. The reason the shipping dates were inconsistent, Apple says they were shipping by the time I got to order on the 31st, and Best Buy is still shipping on the 15th. So if you're out there looking, you're on the Apple website, and you want to make sure maybe you have them for a holiday gift for yourself, like me, or for somebody else, go ahead and head over to Best Buy, check it out, and see if you can go ahead and pick up a couple pairs. I got the silver and space gray, one of each from each retailer, waiting to see whichever one comes in first. Whoever comes in first, I keep. Who doesn't, I cancel that order. So I did a little bit of digging, and I want to know, what exactly am I getting for $549? And I have some opinions, right? Let's get the goodness out of the way first. Spatial audio, check. Active noise cancellation, check. Transparency mode, check. 9 microphones that assist with active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and when you're making telephone calls, perhaps your Zoom calls, your GoToMeetings, your Duos, your FaceTimes, that's where the 9 microphones are going to come in, because you're going to sound good, you're going to sound amazing. So that's the goodness that we're getting for $549. But I haven't held these in my hand, so I'm talking from visual speculation. So all of this may change when I get them in my hand, and if so, I'll go ahead and drop the new video, my unboxing, into the comments of this video. In case I have an updated opinion, I can share that with you guys then. But for right now, what I'm doing is I'm looking at this headband, right? It's kind of like flexible, meshy, if you will, cloth. Again, cloth. All right, now we're getting to these ear cups that are magnetized. I don't know, but I think I saw somewhere where you can buy different colored ear cups, and if that's a thing, that's going to be amazing, because you can pop them on, off, mix and match with your outfits. You can be matchy as much as you want, even if they're not made by Apple. If it's a third-party retailer, that's still going to be a pretty cool accessory, kind of like the Apple Watch. How you can mix and match your Apple straps to your outfit, what you're wearing, your mood, all that other stuff. Speaking of Apple Watch, what they did is they took the digital crown from the Apple Watch and they put it on the AirPods Max. Now, this is going to be your main control. This is going to be your volume, your play, your pause, all that other stuff. And I think I remember seeing that there's a dedicated button to activate noise cancellation or transparency mode. I can't remember which one it is. Maybe it activates both. Gotta wait to actually see them in person and how they work and operate. But it's the cloth that's getting me on these earbuds and the headband, right? Apple is selling us $549 in cloth, and I'm not really too sure how I feel about that. Again, with most things Apple, you have to wait until you get it, hold it, feel it, enjoy it to actually know if you like it, to actually know if it feels like it's worth it. Apple has not been making junk products. They make really, really good products that feel solid. Even though I feel slightly disappointed for $549 in cloth, I think I'm not going to be let down. I think Apple is going to deliver a really, really solid product here. Is it for you? Is it for your kid? Can you actually pre-order this today, now? Have it in time for Santa and the Christmas tree? I don't know. I want to say the answer is yes, but I think the answer is no. I think Apple screwed up a little bit with the release and launch date of this. I think that this device should have been released back in October or November, not almost mid-December. But this is Apple. They get to do what they want. They call the shots. They set the trends. They are the market holders. People follow suit what Apple does. So we're going to probably see a lot more headphones that are going to start reaching this price, and that's what does scare and bother me. I hope Sony doesn't see this and think, well, Apple can do it, maybe we should too. Because Sony, those M3s and those M4s are absolutely amazing, and I would really hate to see the price on those go up just because Apple did it. They think everybody else can. Head down to the comments, guys. If you've liked this video, tell me. Give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down button. Not once, but twice. Show me who's boss. Hit it twice. Like, comment, subscribe. Guys, for the love of tech. Till next time, namaste.